Hi everyone, good day to you all. In today's video we are going to make how to make chocolate chip cookies recipe from scratch, so stay tuned. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the recipe. Today, as you can see, I'm going to be adding 100 grams of unsalted butter in making this cookies, chocolate chip cookies. So we are going to whisk it. As you can see, I'm whisking it already to the texture you want. But before I get in, I would like to say, if you're a new viewer, you are coming to this channel for the first time, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're also welcome back to this channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing, and remember to click on that notification bell beside the subscription button so that you can be able to be notified whenever I upload any new videos. So right now I'm adding 70 grams of our sugar. This time I'm using icing sugar. So it's time to add in one egg, because this time I'm using one egg in making this recipe. So, and we continue mixing. So that's it. So it's now time to add in the flour. But before I add in the flour, you can see I was adding in something, and that was salt. I was adding it to the flour before mixing it in the batter. So we are adding it little by little. We are going to be adding the flour little by little. After all, the flour is 200 grams. So, and we'll be mixing it and until it cooperates very well. Then you can now add in another thing. So right now it's time to add in our chocolate chip. So as you can see, I didn't measure it because I was just adding it and be taking a look at it to know if it's okay. So that's what I did anyway. I didn't measure it. I was just bringing it little by little and be adding. So it's up to you. You can measure yours. You can, depends on the quantity of the flour. So but as for me, I did not. So right now it's time to put it in our piping bag. I'm using this round mouth of my round mouth, and I'm going to be putting mine in my piping bag. If you have a cookie machine, or you can use it, or biscuits, it's up to you, but I'm using piping bag because this is what I have for now and this is what I want to use. So I'm going to be passing it into the piping bag. Now time for me to be passing it in my the pan has already been prepared. I rubbed butter on the side, in fact inside the pan. Then I now brought baking pepper and spread on it, and that is why you see it like this. So I rubbed it butter first before anything, but I just chose not to show that part because anyway, maybe one of these days I'll show my what do I call it, background work behind the scene screen. So now we are piping it in. Like I said, I use this mouth. I have others, but I don't want to. I was thinking, I think this one will be okay. So time to pop it into the oven and bake for 15 to 25 minutes. So now you can see our chocolate chip cookies is ready, is cooked. You can see how fantastic it is. In fact, I'm salivating. I can't wait. I can't wait at all. So I'm doing the transferring from my baking pan to the plate. I'm going to, preserve it at least for my kids. When they come back, you'll be hearing, oh, mommy, I want this one, chocolate. can see our cookies is ready. If you are having a party and you want me to prepare things like this for you, you can contact me in my email address over there, youmusschefrecipes@gmail.com. So in that way you can prepare this kind of things for you, and you will love it. In fact, those that I used to make their cakes always testify to my cakes. So I make cakes for wedding, birthdays, any anniversary, wedding anniversary, depends. So depends on what you want. We make things like this as well. So if you like this video, remember to subscribe to our channel. At the same time, don't forget to turn on your notifications so that whenever I upload any new videos, you get to be notified. That is the essence of tuning on the notification. So thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. See you on my next video. Bye.